In this video, we're getting real about unexpected structural repairs that pop up during home renovations and how to handle those surprise costs like a pro. When you're planning a remodel or fixing up your place, you gotta be ready for those hidden issues that don't show up until you tear down walls or dig into the foundation. Stuff like foundation cracks, termite damage, or water damage can totally wreck your budget if you're not careful. The first thing you want to do is get a thorough inspection done by a professional before you even pick up a hammer. Don't just trust a quick look. Hire someone who knows what to look for so you don't get blindsided later. Also, always set aside a contingency fund. That's money you keep separate just in case something unexpected pops up. It's way better to have that cash ready than scrambling for loans or cutting corners on the fix. Another smart move is to check if your contractors offer warranties on their work, because that can save you big bucks if issues come back after the job's done. Trust me, being proactive with these steps can make your renovation way less stressful and more budget-friendly. One of the biggest slip-ups folks make is skipping the detailed home inspection before starting the project, which often leads to missing those sneaky foundation cracks or termite damage until it's too late. Another common mistake is not budgeting enough for unexpected structural repairs. So when water damage or other problems show up, the extra costs hit like a ton of bricks and stall the whole project. And finally, people sometimes forget to verify warranties or guarantees from their contractors, leaving them stuck paying for repairs out of pocket if something goes wrong after the renovation. The fix? Always get a licensed professional inspector involved early on. Keep a healthy financial cushion specifically for surprises, and make sure your contractors stand behind their work with solid warranties. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who are pros at handling these kinds of tricky repairs, making it easier to find someone reliable without all the usual hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great spot to get matched with homeowners who actually need your skills, keeping your schedule packed and your business growing.